All right, so I'm going to show you how to fix the headlights on your W211 E-Class with xenons in it the wrong way. Now, I have no money into this car. It was not gifted to me. I bought it originally, wrecked. As you see in this front area, there's some things messed up and the hood's a different color. But I fixed it, drove it home, and I had full coverage insurance on it for a little bit. And literally the first day that my wife gets to drive it, somebody sideswipes her in it. And insurance basically paid me a little bit more than what I had into the entire car. But it's starting to have a little electrical issues here and there. After we've driven it for about 30,000 miles now. But the xenon ballast in here has gone bad. I originally thought we had a SAM module problem, but that wasn't the case. I swapped this out with another one, and bulb's good and all that, but figured out this piece right here, no good. And these range anywhere from $30 to $80. And if I don't have any money to this car, I'd rather not spend any money for no reason, because I don't know how much longer we're going to continue driving this car anyways. But so what you gotta do is you go in here. There's a cover that usually goes on this, but twist this out, and there is your xenon bulb. This one is brand new, so I'm going to keep it for the other side. But this is an extra headlight that I had out of a 2010 Toyota Matrix that we had. There's part numbers on there. If I need to put the specific number thing on there, I will. But as you see, it's got these little notches on it, and it's not just gonna drop right in and be friendly. So what I did is, with the different one I had, from the same car, take a pair of cutters like those and just clip those off. And once you get that done, you can take your bulb and drop it right in here. And the actual original housing for this is going to hold it in pretty nicely. It's kind of difficult with one hand, but as you see, this is the main power inline for this whole setup. But I'm going to take the 12-volt input out of this and a ground and wire it onto these two little spade connectors, and they push video cut out there. So these very snugly fit just on one side onto the pins in here. And just for reference, I didn't know which was power or ground, or if it even mattered on this, but I put power on this pin on my right, and I put a ground to the pin on the left, and it seemed to work just fine. So once I get all this wired up and I steal the power from this plug, I will show it working. So after previous diagnostic, I discovered that the yellow and black wire that goes to your headlight right here, which is your second pin over, is a 12-volt power, and the brown wire on the far right is the ground supply. So I'm gonna cut this one I already cut when doing other things, and put those spade connectors on it with a little bit of extra wire, so I got some space to work with and get it hooked up. All right, so here you can see there's little spade connectors in there. There's a nice tight fit. They're not going to come loose. If you're concerned about that, just put a little piece of tape around it. And then I'm going to cut the plug there and wire these up to it. All right, I'm now going to turn the headlight on after it's all hooked up. See if we got it working. Yep, here we go. So let me finish getting all this thrown together and show you a car with mismatch but legal headlights that will pass inspection. All right, there you have it. As you can see, they're different colors, but I don't care. That will pass inspection and hopefully be a fix-it ticket for the headlight being out now. But oh, this little piece, I'll just drop that back in there. I'll get that right in a second. But finished throwing all this back together. That's done. Other thing I'll have to work on now is getting this tail light to do the same thing this one does. For some reason, whenever this is plugged in, it's unplugged right now because this top light will stay on even when the car is off, and it won't glow the bottom light at the same time as it's doing right now. But I'll start working on that once I get the front put back together. Here you can see what I was talking about. All the lights are off except for some reason this one. No, the parking whatever marking light is not activated. Is literally just this single bulb that stays on when the vehicle's off. So I'm gonna take that bulb out and just see if I can remove the other one as well and still have turn signals and brake lights and running lights. I'll be happy with that. I don't care if the top bulbs don't work, and neither does the inspection guy. All right, got the car backed up in here. As you see, that tail light on the top doesn't even work anyways. That one does, and that's the one that stays on. So I'm gonna pull that light bulb out, and as far as I know, that works as a running light and a tail light, so it should be all good. The bottom lights anyways. Hit the brakes. Off. On. Thank you. Left. Right. All right, turn them off. That's it. As you can see here with that headlight, you can see the yellow one on the left and the xenon on the right. I'm still getting a good pattern out of it, and I could see just fine. So even though there's the wrong headlight inside of the wrong housing, it's all good.